Welcome to having fun wherever we go. Today we're going to the Cheesecake Factory. This is our first time coming here, and we're going to get some cheesecake and lunch, and we invite you to come along. Introducing the Triple Berry Bliss Cheesecake. Looks pretty good. Gotta say, room for cheesecake. There's a good one. What are you getting?
I think I'm going to get the grilled chicken and avocado club.
Did you see anything there you think I would like?
Lots of stuff. I mean,
name me a couple.
This menu is extensive.
Yeah.
Well, go ahead and look it over.
I can't. But I would. That's why I would like.
Bring glasses.
No. I see fine print and I can't make it out. So yeah, it's a toss-up for me between the macaroni and cheeseburger, yeah, or the bacon cheeseburger. But they both sound good. The bacon cheeseburgers are charbroiled and covered with melted cheddar and American cheese, crispy bacon, thick cut, slow roasted, smoked bacon, and a secret sauce. So that sounds really good. Oh, they brought some bread out. They brought us a little basket of bread and some butter. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy that.
I'd like the grilled chicken and avocado club. And fries okay with you? Yes.
And I'm gonna go for the macaroni and cheeseburger.
That's a good choice.
Yeah.
And how would you like that cooked?
Medium. A Coke Zero.
And the mac and cheeseburger. Plate's a little
right.
warm, so be careful, okay?
Okay.
Enjoy, guys.
Okay, thank you. There it is. That is the mac and cheeseburger right there. So that must be like a big chunk of deep fried mac and cheese put on top of the burger. Those are my condiments. There's some ketchup and a little basket of fries. The chicken avocado club. Wow, that really looks good. Wow. Nice. Yeah, how to eat that club. Man, that thing's huge.
Yeah.
Are you going to have to disassemble it?
Over the years.
Well, yeah, I got to put it together. Can I get some mayonnaise? Yes. Yeah. Thank you very much. Mayonnaise. I got to smash it down. I don't know if you can just take a bite of this, but I'm going to try. Oh man, that is good.
How was that mac and cheese burger?
Awesome.
Actually good?
Very good. Thank you.
Of course, my pleasure.
That was our wonderful waitress. She did tell me when I ordered it was a great choice, and she was right. Whew. That was filling. But I gotta save room for cheesecake. I really like that mac and cheese burger. That was just so good.
Yeah.
I'm so happy I got that. Juicy, delicious. Love the mac and cheese on it.
Yeah, and I really liked mine as well.
Yours looked really good.
They were very generous with avocado. Yeah. It was
That's a
good.
grilled chicken. Grilled chicken club
Yeah.
with bacon.
Yeah.
And they didn't stick an extra slice of toast in the middle, right? Like they do
Right.
with most clubs.
Right.
So if you like peanut butter, you would suggest which one again?
That Adam's peanut butter fudge ripple. If you want like
Which
a
one is that one on here?
that one's gonna be right here.
Oh, okay.
And then the Reese's peanut butter. That's gonna be more of a cake.
Right, but this is more of a cheesecake.
Yes, the
I'm looking
Adams.
for a cheesecake.
Yes,
Yep.
the Adams is gonna be your cheesecake.
That's the one I want.
That's the one you want?
Yeah, that's the
You're
one
just-
I'm gonna go with.
You're just like me. I love the peanut butter and chocolate. It's just so
Yeah,
good
I
together.
love peanut butter.
And how about for you, my love?
Oh, I think I'm going to go with the Reese's peanut butter chocolate cake cheesecake.
The Reese's?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, thank you very much.
To take those dishes out of your way, and then I'm gonna be back with some refills, okay?
All right. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Brought us out a refill. Isn't that nice? Oh wow. Here they come.
So yours is this one, which is the Reese's,
Wow.
and then the Adams cheesecake right here.
All right. Thank
Enjoy
you
it.
very much.
Of course.
There it is, the Adams cheesecake. Look at that. Yeah, it looks good.
Reese's peanut butter cake cheesecake.
Reese's peanut butter cake cheesecake?
Yep.
Wow. There's a lot of cake in that name. There's a lot of cake on that tray.
For sure.
That looks like a lot. Looks good. All right. Gotta enjoy it.
So good.
Oh yeah. I can definitely taste the peanut butter. Boy, is that good. Very heavy.
Look at the chocolate and peanut butter.
Yeah, that's nice. Now I gotta try some of this. See how this tastes. That's a good frosting. You got the same on yours.
Yeah.
Wow, what a perfect way to finish off a meal, you know? Wonderful dessert.
So good.
Well, might as well hit it. Wow. Look at them cakes. Oh man, that was so filling, so good. Hi, let me get that for you. That was an excellent meal. I am so glad we went there. Cheesecake Factory. Boy, was that a lot of fun. That was a lot of food, and it was good food. So glad we did that. Well, thanks for coming along. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. Give me a like. Leave me a comment. That helps us out. And we'll see you again in the next one. Take care.